Hello and welcome back. And in today we're going to be talking about VLOOKUP. Now, VLOOKUP is a function in Excel. Now, we're going to use VLOOKUP to be able to search for a value and return a corresponding value, meaning that I want to be able to search for the gender for each of the names that are here. Now, bear in mind I actually have the gender and the name put aside together in a different sheet tab. Now, instead of having to copy this and paste, I want to just write a simple function that returns the corresponding gender to the name. Now, I'm going to use VLOOKUP for this. Now, this is how we begin. We start with an equal sign and we type in VLOOKUP, and then access for the lookup value. The lookup value is Alice. That's what I want to look for. And then the table array basically is a sheet tab where I have saved um, the data. I'm going to select that, and I'm also going to select access me the column index number. The column index number is the gender, which is column 2. I'm going to also put 2 there, and then I'm also going to put 0 as an exact match. I'm going to close the bracket and say enter, and you can see that it has returned the corresponding gender to the name. Now if I double click or drag down, it autofills the gender for each of the name, and this is how to make use of VLOOKUP to be able to return a corresponding value that matches the search value that you're looking for. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial or there anything you want me to make, please do well to drop that on the comment section on anything you like me to talk about on Excel, and I'll try to do a video for you. And please do well to like, follow, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello and welcome back.